ever dismissed something new only to realize its value much later? I certainly have, and it took me several years to change this habit. In college, while most of my friends were engrossed in the world of social media, I remained skeptical. I felt the content was unprofessional and lacked depth. In 2014, I handed a friend raw footage and snapshots from our volunteer trip. He suggested, "Why don't you post it on the video platform with the initial B?" I was like, "What is that?" So he decided to post my vlog. The next thing I knew, there were thousands of views, but I failed to recognize its value. For me, back then, things that were unrelated to academic success weren't worth it. Later, in journalism school, I learned the power of visual storytelling and its potential for social change. It dawned on me, I could have started this journey much earlier, tapping into the golden age of content creation. Because from 2014 to 2018, vlogs and other personalized content were revolutionizing media landscapes. And it's not just me. This tendency to be wary of the unknown is deeply rooted in history. Throughout history, new ideas often face doubt or ridicule. For instance, when Edison introduced the light bulb, a British Parliament committee dismissed it as worthless. When personal computers first came out, some people feared they'd be controlled by them. Can being smart prevent us from such blindness? If history is a mirror, then no. We are wired to resist change, to feel insecure before the unfamiliar, and to be ensnared by tunnel vision. To challenge this, I explored our collective history, spoke to people unlike myself, and re-evaluated my old views. I learned to question my first impressions and prioritize understanding before judging. I reminded myself that just because I don't understand something doesn't mean it lacks value. This mindset opened up numerous opportunities for me. In 2019, despite claims of a dying news industry, I secured a reporting role in Hong Kong. And then, while many saw city corporate life as the only way, I chose rural living. My lesson? Being open-minded can transform one's life. The next time you are about to dismiss something unfamiliar, pause, reflect, and try to understand it before passing judgment. Who knows? You might unlock a door to a world you never imagined.